Winnerv, one device, infinity application. In this video we will show 2 of the problems of washing machine that exist in all the brands and have been dissolved by the Winnerv device. 1. The problem of not dissolving powder detergents in water completely and distributing them uniformly on clothes surface. 2. The penetration of detergents into the clothes that are in the central part of the clothes inside the drum. Important, in these tests, to better illustrate how the operation of the Winnerv device is used the top-load washing machine model. The Winnerv device can be installed and used in the front door model as well. 1. The problem of not dissolving powder detergents in water completely and distributing them uniformly on clothes surface. While powdered laundry detergents may not leave stains on light or white clothes, they can sometimes leave a residue that can make clothes stiff. This problem has been solved by eco-bubble technology. In other washing machines, it is advisable to use a liquid detergent or a programmed for washing with hot water, or a laser detergent or clothing softener. But all of these solutions create other problems. Liquid detergent has less cleaning ability. Hot water consumes more energy and damages fabric fibers. Less detergent does not clean clothes. Softeners reduce the detergent cleaning power. Washing machine with using Winnerv device. In this washing machine, because it enters the air all time of wash cycle enters the drum, completely dissolving powder detergents in water. Complete dissolution of the detergent is done in the first minutes. In this experiment, a detergent that produces very little foam is used. The water temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. The washing machine works for 4 minutes but can't produce foam. Of course, if it works for an hour, it still can't produce foam. When the Winnerv device starts operating, in less than a minute, the detergent has turned to foam. Two, the penetration of detergents into the clothes that are in the central part of the clothes inside the drum. Wash performance testing. For measure each washing machine's stain cleaning performance, the test strip is used, which includes sebum, the oil on your skin, carbon black, mineral oil, blood, pig's blood, cocoa, chocolate and milk, and red wine, aged. There's also a 6th section that's unstained and acts as a control. This test strip inserted into the 3 bedding sheets, and after washing, it is read by spectrometer and the performance of the washing machine is determined. Washing machine with using Winnerv device. Because the test equipment was unavailable, we performed an experiment to compare with seeing. In this test, we put detergent in between bedding sheets and of a detergent that produces very little foam is used. The water temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. The washing machine works for 6 minutes. Then we visit the place where I put the detergent. The detergent is completely dissolved in water, leaving only a small amount of it. Please watch videos, YouTube and Telegram in the WinRV channel.